Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to set up the what's the name, the QuickTime player, and with the sound built-in, just like right now you can hear my sound. First, you need to download a software called Sunflower 2.0. So you just download Sunflower for Mac. Yeah, I think it's here. Yes, download it. Save and unzip it. Sunflower. Yes, you go to the folder, then you open this one. Continue, continue. I think I already registered for this, so it's not that I'm doing it the second time. I'm not sure what will happen. Let's see. I don't know. Maybe I don't really need to do so. But yeah, let's see. The first time I installed this, I encountered a issue because it's not from Apple Store, so they are blocking the Sunflower. But I went to the system setting, security and privacy, and when you install the Sunflower, it will show something like Sunflower is blocked because of blah blah. Then you just click on open it. Then you will be fine. Then I will just keep it. Yeah. Then you go to system preference and go to sound. Sound. Oh, it's here. Right now I'm choosing the input is Sunflower second 2ch. I think 64ch it's the same. It doesn't affect, yeah, I think they are the same. Then output I just use the internal speaker. Yeah. And since you already hearing me speaking, so that means it works.